Superstar Director for the Sunshine State Superstars. I am in the car, headed to the gym. After that, I gotta deliver some orders that you see in my back seat. Yay! But yes, so I wanted to make a video this morning with some things that were on my mind. Excuse the no makeup face. You know, we just gotta overcome some of those things we don't like to do sometimes. I don't like to make videos without my makeup on, but you know what? Sometimes you gotta do it. So, my video today, I wanted to share with you an experience that happened yesterday. Let me back up. I have said in many training videos how important it is that when we are trying to get a potential recruit on the phone or to meet up with them or whatever, how important it is that we say, I want to help you determine if this is the right fit for you. That is important. I've said that time and time again. It will ease their discomfort about meeting up with you because they're going to feel more reassured, like, you know, she wants to make this good for me. You know, it's not all about her. But it's equally as important that when you meet up with them, that's what you do. Yesterday, I had a call with a new potential team member who does not live here anywhere near me, and she had expressed to me in an email that there was a certain, way that she wanted to work her business. Specifically, there was something that I had mentioned in a video, and she was like, yeah, that sounds like the way I want to do things. So I had said to her, responding in email saying, I'd love to chat with you more about having a Scentsy business and help you see if this is the right fit for you. So we had our call last night, and after the call, I received an email from her saying how much she appreciated my honesty and that it really helps her to be able to trust me. And she said many consultants will just try to tell you whatever they need to tell you to get you to join. And that experience just it confirmed what I'm always saying to you guys, which is when you're having these conversations with potential recruits, it's so important that you are very open, very honest, and very transparent about things that could potentially affect them. Like, she told me that, the main way she wanted to market her business was through having warmers and stuff on hand, like a little store in her house. So I was prepared with all of the, the important need to know policies regarding doing that, like not posting your stock on social media or eBay. I made sure that she knew all of those things because I would never want somebody to join thinking they could, post photos once a week of their Scentsy stock and say, come and shop with me. And that's not the case. I would never want a new recruit to come to me and say, well, you didn't tell me that. Now you're telling me, because to me, that's just not good practice. That's just not good practice. So I just wanted to share this experience with you because it just, again, it reaffirmed how important it is that we are open and transparent with our team members that we're chatting with about the business, our potential team members that we're chatting with about the business opportunity. You can't just say, I want to help you see if it's the right fit for you. Your words and your actions need to prove that when you're talking with her or him. No one is going to want to join your team when you sound desperate or when you're just telling them the things they want to hear to get them to say yes. And besides that, you don't want team members that you have to beg and talk into. Well, I'll sell for you if you sell for me, and I'll join your team if you join mine. You don't want team members like that because those are not strong team members that are going to be the backbone of your team. You want people who want to be in this business. So just wanted to share that little tip with you today. Continue having these sponsoring conversations. Make sure that you identify why this business is a good fit for them. And remember, the simplest way to find that out is by asking, how do you see Scentsy enhancing your life? What is it that you want Scentsy to bring into your life that's missing right now? Like, how do you see Scentsy providing something in your life that's missing right now? Saying anything like any of those three examples will give you a very clear and defined why, which is what we need to know to show them how Scentsy can fill that why. So make it all about them. Make it clear that you have their best interests at heart, not your own. and you will see that you consistently are sponsoring new people. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get updates every time I share a new video to help you work your Scentsy business. And go out there and make it a great day. I'll see you guys next time.